Alright, so we back with the Cammy. Full review vibes. This is, I think, my first Jada. This is my first Jada toys. I haven't had none. I seen him in GameStop. I seen DJ. I was like, maybe. Cammy, I caught up. Dalsim, I haven't. Yo, Dalsim, I need that. Especially the new SDCC. I need that blue joint. Like blue, gray, whatever. I seen Ryu and Ken in GameStop, but I already have like a Storm Collectibles one and an old school one. But man, these are hard to like. Sagat, I got the Storm Collectibles. Akuma, I got the Storm Collectibles. I need him. I need the Ryu. I mean the guy. Man, I need a few of them still. Like, let's open this up. We're here for Cammy right now. Oh, you gotta open up from the bottom. I might keep this box. This box is crazy. Let's see. Oof. Let me see you, girl. Let me see you, girl. Do your thing. Extra tape on your boy. Oh my goodness. Let's get rid of that, please. Oh my goodness. Let me stand her back up. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, how we looking? Background. Oh, with the wavy background. Oof. Heard that pop? Did I break anything? Oof. She got those SDLs, bro. Feel me, cuz she a little baddie. Let me see. Nah, you gotta get this for your collection, more like. Let's see what she comes with. A yelling head. I'm gonna need to try this one. Yelling head look crazy. Oh, she about to get busy. Hey, yo, she about to wild out on you. Shorty coming at you like this, run. She went through your cell phone. She went through your cell phone, God. Stay away from Shorty. Let me see this joint. What is this? Like the Hadouken? Oh, we gonna check that out. Now that's for her foot, nah? And then let me see the karate hands. Oh, these look fire. Oh no, we might have to do the whole switch hands. I don't usually do this switching of the hands on my videos, but these look interesting. Alright, that's garbage. Alright, let's see what's up with Shorty right here. Oof. I don't know about the head. Right? Oh, look at the fatty. Look at the fatty, God. Yo, look at the fatty. You feel me? It was popping. The long hair, I don't care. That's what I'm talking about, bro. No shame in this game, bro. She can be a baddie and jab you. Doof, doof. Feel me? Nah, this is her hard. This shit hard. Definitely, I might have to pull out for pics at the end, like my Ryu and my Sagat. Like, oh man, I got them stashed though because of my space on my shelf. I be doing the Joes and then changing them to the Marvel Legends, and so the Street Fighter. Like, I gotta look for them. That's hard, bro. Let me see the head. All right, let me see the head. Let me try to switch up the head real quick. Let me just look. I just want to look, man. Everything is good. Bro, I just put the same head like a jerk. Okay, hold on. Hey, yo, she look angry for real. Ah, she about to rock your shit. Let's go, let's fight, shorty. Like a Serrano, the boxing match right now on Netflix. Poop, 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 poop. What's good? Poop, poop, poop. Right? She's like a boxer shorty right here. But I don't know, I like the other head. Like, she about to blow a kiss at you and punch you. Like, you know what I'm saying? What's up? Like a toxic Bronx chick. What's up? Mwah. Bow. You're ready. You're ready. Cuz. Hold on. Let me see this. Let me see this. This is L. Toxic Bronx chick is everything right now. Oh, that's hard. Feel me? It's good. Pow. Pow. Click blow. Hey, yo. Oof. It's good. Just be like that. Bang. Bang on them. Yo, this is my first Jada, I think. I mean, I got the Storm Collectible Street Fighters and like maybe one old school Ken. I started with the Ken with the Street Fighters, an old school Ken. Then the Storm Collectibles. But, damn, Jada. This is why I didn't want to do this, because I'm going to want to buy all of them, you know what I mean? But nah, they got it. Jada got it, bro. I definitely need this. I got this guy, the big one, the Storm, the Dowson, and a few of those joints that I, you know what I mean, for the collection. But fire, man. Let me check out the hands. All right, last thing, let's check out the hands, man. Real quick, you know what I'm saying? I just want to see how they come out. Shorty right here. She had the hands like that, you know? I like the other hands better, the fisted hands, but oh, nah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Come in. Smack. Who you talking to? You talking to shorties on your phone? Bow. You get me? Bronx chicks. Bow. Summertime. Whoa. That's crack, bro. That's fire. Nah, Jada doing it, man. I'm gonna need this a win for me. This a W, bro. I'm gonna need to get more of these. Like I slept on the Chung Lee, and I actually saw Chung Lee, and I was like, oh, today the baby blue one, not the red one. I was debating which one, but now I might go back to GameStop and get that Chung Lee now, just cause of this. Like, this is fire. This is crazy. Hey, yo, you know what I'm saying? What's good? What's goody? Nah, this is crazy, dog. For real. Fuck, bro. Nah, get you some Jada toys, bro. That's all I got to say. This is nuts, yo. The posing, the color, the posing. This the one, dog. Jada Toys, bro, did it. You did it, dog. I'm all in now. I'm gonna buy more of these joints. For sure. Blow kiss, Cammy. Peace.